We live, K-Mac, back with another video. Today, I'm going to do a trade breakdown on GJ. A trade I took on Sunday through Monday. So, August 21st, I placed it on Sunday, but the trade didn't end until New York session. So, so I'm going to get into the charts. Wait. Before I get into the charts, let me roll the intro real quick. We got to get the vibe in. Let's roll the intro. Let's get it. What up? We back. So I'm gonna do a little quick breakdown on GJ, and I'm going to start from the higher time frames because the higher time frames are the anchor time frames. We want to get the higher time frame analysis swing structure before we get into day structure or substructure. We start looking for entries. So overall, the higher time frame, let's just start like somewhere like the daily. Usually every week. So I saw this on Sunday. So I usually peek at the weekly chart right here. You can see it's just extremely bullish. Oh my God, it's bullish. So for me, it's like I'm really just looking for buys. I'm not looking for sells. I'm only really looking for buys here. And if I were to look for a sell, it's not going to be that far, right? Moves like this is big though. It came all the way down here 600 pips, but that was probably news or something like that. But mostly we're going to be taking buys until, let's go to the daily time frame, until it breaks this structure right here, which is a 4-hour structure. I saw this, but yeah, so swing structure was overall bullish, above the moving average on every single swing structure time frame. I have the 12-base time frame because sometimes I want to take quick little, sometimes I'll look at the daily and I just want to get confirmations faster, so I use a 12-base time frame or half a day, right? So overall we're bullish on every swing structure time frame or swing time frame. Substructure, you can see this is bearish, so intraday structure, and we're right here. So let's bring it back a little bit. So when I was analyzing the market, so I analyzed this before the market actually opened, and as you see we have a break of structure, on a 4-8 time frame. Boom. Like I said, I took about 3 weeks off, so I wasn't really looking at the charts like that. Had to get my mind right. So break of structure on a 4-8 time frame. We have an imbalance right here. I also have Hakinachis because I use Hakinachis in live markets, but you can't use it in TradingView. Y'all need to change this. Why can't we not replay mode with Hakinachis or even Rinkos? I don't use Rinkos, but why can't we like for real? Why can't we use bar replay mode? It would make back testing a lot easier. Come on, TradingView. Come on, right? But anyway, break of structure, imbalance, supply zone has been made. So this further gave me confirmation into this trade. And at this point, this is actually an A+ setup right here. A+ setup, right? And now I'm just waiting for the entry. So I go to the 1 hour or the 15-minute time frame. I do not go past the 15-minute because after the 15 or below the 15, it's too much noise down there. Like it's too much noise in the 5-minute, the 1 minute. I did all that scalping stuff. It did not work for me. So yeah, not happening, right? So I'm an intraday swing trader too, right? So I'm just waiting for my setup. So what I'm really waiting for too is the doji, right? The doji with Hakinachi candlesticks. Down here, the doji, boom. You see that doji being made right there, boom. I'm in it. I'm in it to win it, yo. I'm in it to win it, right? So I entered actually it went up. I was at the gym at the time. It went up like this, boom. And I was like, oh my God, let me put a pending order down here. So I put a buy limit down here. It came back, right? It came right back to me. Boom, boom. And you can see it went straight bullish. And I was asleep this whole time. You got to set it and forget it. I forgot who said that. Oh, Alex G, I think, says that. He's a swing trader. I like his channel too. Maybe we can get to his level one day. Right? Just keep dreaming until it becomes reality. Right? So, yeah, so overall, Great trade, right? No drawdown, no drawdown. I had about 40 pips on the trade. I put about 2% on the setup. I usually put about 2%. And also this was on the challenge account. I was gonna take this on my live 20K account, but it kept on disabling the trade. So I'm gonna have to check with my Forex funds about that because they tripping. I tried to enter the trade 3-4 times and it said trade disabled. I'm like, okay. So I'm gonna have to email my Forex funds about that because they really tripping. That would have been like $800. I was gonna hold that for like 3R, and they really tripping on that. But yeah, so this was an A plus setup and great trade. Now what I'm looking for, get rid of this now. Come on, tripping. All right. So what I'm looking for next is another setup on GJ for a buy. I'm looking for that doji again on a 4H time frame. Maybe a little breaker structure on a 15-minute, right? So we're really gonna use more of the 4H 15-minute here since we're not at a major supply zone or demand zone. We're gonna use the 15-minute for an easy breaker structure and like something like that. But we haven't got the doji yet. So we want the doji first. The doji comes first because swing structure time frame is our anchor time frames. So we want to catch something on the swing structure to tell us, okay, let's drop down lower and look for an entry. So I'm looking for that breaker structure on the 15-minute, right? You know, I use a 1H if it's like a major zone right here, or like right there for a sell, or something like a quick sell. But we're gonna look for that breaker structure on the lower time frame, and probably like maybe a market execution on that one. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking for here. And you know, I didn't hold the trade because it's like, yo, I just want to get a quick win. I took like 3 weeks off the market, so I was like, I just want a quick win. It's like almost the end of August. Let me just get a quick win at the end of August. So that was 5% there, but I could have held it, right? You know, we would have been back down here. I would have took a little bit off the trade and or most of it off the trade and would have held it, right? But as you see, GJ, the yen has been bullish. You know, Euro JPY has been bullish as well. USD JPY has been bullish as well. But as you see here, this is a lot of pips, yo. A lot of pips. So if I would have took it, that's not realistic. We don't have a zone. Maybe if there was a breaker structure right here, I'm not going to go back all the way over there. But if there was a breaker structure right there on the 15-minute, this is an okay zone, right? I could have took something right there, but I'm trying to be realistic here. This is a better zone for that, right? And what I would have done is I would have took most of it off right here and left like 1%. So we would have been up 4%, would have took 3% off and held it all the way up here. And that would have been 3.5 almost percent right here. We held it for 7R. Or when it starts retracing. Once it starts retracing, I would have probably got out here realistically. I would have got out at 6R, so 3%. So we would have made about 6% right here in this setup. On 100,000, that's someone's salary, right? On a 20K, that's $1,200, which is really good money. That's really, really good money on a trade that would have lasted 2 days. $1,200 in 2 days, bro. That's a deal. That's a steal, yo. And it's passively. It's mostly passively, right? So that's crazy. So yeah, so I'm looking for a bull move on another bull move on GJ to the upside. I might end up holding this trade, but I'm really just trying to pass the challenge. So I'm probably just gonna throw 3% on the setup and hold it for. I think all I need is 1.5R for 3%, and I passed it, right? 2%, something like that. It's 1.75R. It's something like that. I'll do the math later when I'm you know, looking for the entry when we get the confirmations. But overall, great trade, A+ setup. Also here, notice I put this down earlier. Liquidity grab. So there's a liquidity grab. I was gonna take this. I was like, nah, I'm just gonna let it go. I know it might go down, retrace, but I'm really looking for the bull move, and I just don't want to take just any setup. But yeah, little liquidity grab. if we don't see a doji, if it starts making like if it makes a higher low like this, where is it? Higher low, boom, you know, we're gonna start looking for sell moves, right? That might mean like I might lose a trade and you know, might analyze and be like, okay, it's gonna sell off, right? But overall, bullish here. The other pairs, like USD has just been extremely consolidated. So I was like, I'm not gonna touch that. This is just straight liquidity grabs. Boop, 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 just range. You could have took something right there. It just looks awkward. Right? Euro USD is a little better, right? It's better. But yeah, we're just gonna wait here. You know, Euro USD have low volatility, so I really just stick with like GJ and Euro JPY. I do trade these every now and again, but yeah. So that is the breakdown on GJ. Looking for some more trades. I hope y'all having a good trading week so far. Today is Tuesday. Hope you're making a lot of profit. If you're not, it's okay. We all go through it, and you'll do better. You'll do better. If you're not profitable, if you're profitable, it don't matter. But I hope y'all having a great day, a great week, and see y'all in the next video. Peace out.